People often ask me, Tom, you've been in network marketing 33 years. What have you learned? I think about it for a while. And I said, well, you know, I've learned a lot of things, but there's three things that come to mind that are very important. Number one, most people don't like to sell. As a matter of fact, most people are sales resistant. Have you ever gone into a place where they have commission salespeople, like a car dealership, and you walk up, you know, the salesman walks right up to you, gets right in your face and says, "Could I help you?" And you say, "No thanks, I'm just looking." And as soon as the salesperson leaves, you turn around and you go and look the other way. Well, if you were to teach somebody how to do something that they really don't want to do, that'd be pretty difficult, wouldn't it? I thought it was. Second thing is, most people have a low self-esteem. Now, I have some friends who are psychiatrists, and I've asked them, can you raise somebody's self-esteem in a visit or a phone call or two? And they laugh at me and say, Tom, why do you think I'm a psychiatrist? Of course you can. So if they can't do it, I know I can't do it. And the third thing is that most people don't like change. Sometimes not even if it's a positive change. Now, it took me a long time to figure out what it was that people could not do and did not want to do. But it took me even longer to figure out what it was they could do and wanted to do. And what I discovered was that most people can follow instructions. And the reason is most people have jobs. And the boss says, if you do this, this, and this, I'll pay you. So, we developed a system that all people had to do was follow instructions to have success. And you know, we field tested this system in Puerto Rico a few years ago. And you know, Puerto Rico is an island 100 miles by 35 miles. People don't like to sell. They have low self-esteem. You know, everything that everybody else had. But we gave them a set of instructions to follow. And those instructions, they followed them to the T and they had success. You know, after 18 months, we had about 11,000 distributors. And it just grew from there. Now, in network marketing, there's four things that come to mind that are very important. Number one, this business is about relationships. If we don't have a relationship, we're going to have to sell and be pretty good salespeople. Number two, it's about duplication. You know, there's certain things that I don't do, not because they don't work, they're just not duplicable. So we have to have something that's duplicable. The third thing is, our job is to create desire. And all that simply means is that people can see themselves doing this business. Now, most people don't join you because they can't visualize themselves doing the business. And the fourth thing is, our job is to give people vision. And vision is simply the way things can be, not the way things are. Now, we're going to put on the screen here my website. I want you to go to my website, and I want you to subscribe to my newsletter. And I'm going to send you my newsletter absolutely free. And also let you know when we have webinars where we're going to talk about really, really important topics that are going to help you explode your organization. Let me leave you with the story of one of the topics that we're going to talk about: prospecting. Everybody wants to know how to prospect because they went out of their, you know, they go to their brother, their sister, their aunt and uncle, and they all said no. So now what do? Who do they talk to? They don't know. So I'll give you an example how I prospect. I remember a while back I was going out of town somewhere, and I stepped into this convenience store to get a cup of coffee. And it was cold and it was rainy, and I said to the guy, I was the only one in the store, and I said, hey, you know, you got a great job in here. It's nice in here, and you're nice and warm and everything. I just came from down the road, and there was a guy at a telephone pole, and he was all wet and cold. And the guy looks at me and says, oh yeah, but I'm not going to do this all my life. I said, really? What are you going to do? Oh, I don't know, maybe start a business. Now here's where most distributors make the mistake. They say, oh, I got a great thing for you. They run out to the car, they grab a DVD, they grab a brochure, they try to stuff it down this guy's throat, and the guy starts backing away because he's what? Sales resistant. He doesn't want to be sold. So I grabbed my coffee and I left. A couple of days later, I came back. Now I know his name because he has his name tag. He said, hey, Mark, how you doing? Hey, you get that business of yours started? And he looks at me and he laughs and he says, no, not really. And I left and, you know, came back a couple days later and got another cup of coffee. So now Mark's scratching his head. He's saying, Tom, let me ask you a question. Do you have a job? I said, well, yeah, why do you ask? He said, well, because I've seen you here 3 different times, at 3 different times, and I was just wondering if you had a job. I said, yeah, actually, I have my own business. Really? What kind of business do you have? Now listen to what I told him. He's a clerk at a convenience store. I said, well, Mark, what I do is I help people start businesses who don't have a lot of money. Now, do you think this is going to catch his attention? Absolutely. He says, really? Can you tell me about it? Well, I'm not going to tell him right then and there. So what I did was I said, when's your day off? He said, Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday we meet for a cup of coffee. I start visiting with him a little bit, and about 12 minutes into the conversation, he says, Tom, what about that business of yours? And I said, well, I'll tell you what. It takes about 35, 40 minutes to give a complete presentation. Let's get together next week on your day off. What I was doing, folks, is creating a relationship with him. Now, go to my website, subscribe to the newsletter so we can find out where we can help you with the webinars. Until next time, may you have much success.